What up? What up? Welcome in. Welcome in. Another beautiful Monday, beautiful trap day. Just coming to make some moolah, get in and get out. Thank y'all for tuning in. Let's get it. What up? What up? Welcome on. Welcome on. Beautiful Monday. Beautiful Monday. A beautiful trap. I'm gonna just stop saying Monday and Fridays trap days, because in this market, every day is a trap day. Because all he got to do is say the war is over or the war is going, and then the market is going to go crazy in another direction. So, yeah. But let's come in and make some moolah. Hope everybody's ready. If you're just not tuning in, we trade the SPY, ES, and the SPX500. The most liquid asset in the trading in the world. So that's why we do it. Let's get it. Hope everybody's. And remember, on the first entry, do not go your whole account. So always remember that, because we want to add on these pullbacks. And let me see if I can actually show liquid growth. Hold on a second. Let's get it. We got 10 minutes till market opens. Let's get it. What up? What up? Welcome on. Welcome on. If you're just not tuning in, we trade the SPY, ES, and SPX500. We get about 10% a day. So that's pretty much what we go for here. So 10% a day is pretty much all you need out the market. If you want to just take, the opening trade. Like I trade the opening first 5 minutes of the market. So you can definitely catch 10% on the opening 5 minutes of the market. And the thing is just controlling your losses. Like when we take an L, we just got to take the L and keep it moving. But thankfully, with our indicator, we win more than we lose. A lot more than we lose. So let's get it. Thank you for tuning in. Let's come to make some moolah. I'm trading liquid brokers. It's super fast, matter of fact, I'll even share the screen when I'm in the trade so you can see how quick it is. Honestly. Yeah, I like it for this opening. For the opening. Robinhood is good if you want to kind of hold the trade. You know what I'm saying? Like you kind of want to do a swing trade, or if you got a trade and you're just gonna kind of hold it all day. But for the first, for this, how we scalp the opening, I like liquid brokers. But Robinhood definitely, if you want to buy NVIDIA, a Meta, a Meta swing trade, hold it. And how we do it. How we get sometimes we play the overnights, or we just hold it for the whole day and just take any pop. That's what Robinhood is good for. Liquid brokers is good for this. So like I said, if you don't have to look at brokers, click that link in the description or the link in the pinned comments and come in and make some moolah. Got about 4 minutes to market opens. Let's get it. And I want to say this, the market is all news driven now. Do you see this big spike? Look at this big spike right here. This big spike that went up $25, almost $25, was because of some news that popped up. So the stock went up by almost $25 in about 5 minutes, $20. So this is all insider trade. This is all insider trading, and honestly, just being lucky, just being honest, trading this market. I can sit here and talk about technical analysis all day, the midway point and all this. But honestly, it's all kind of like luck, too, right now. If we're just being honest, if we're just being completely honest. Yeah, it's news driven. Like this is a news driven market. Who gets the news first? That's who capitalizes. So, like I said, we're just trying to get a little piece of the pie. That's why when I say get out the trade, just get out the trade. Just get out the trade. All these candles is news driven. So, yeah. But what can we do? We can ride the wave, take our profits, and get out. Take our profits and get out. That's it. All right, we got about 3 minutes to market opens. Let's get it. COVID. Oh, really clean. All right, we got a minute till market opens. Let's get it. Fingers on the trigger. Fingers on the trigger. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. All right, let's get it. Market is open. Let's get it. All right, guys. I'm taking my first buy. First buy. First buy. First buy. Buy, buy, buy. I'm adding one more right now. All right, I added. All right. Yep. Buys, buys, buys. And I'm going to show you all on liquid brokers. Hold on one second. Let me start trade. Let me entire screen. All right, boom. So look how quick and how easy it is. I'm leveraging $30 per position. Now that we're down, I'm gonna add one more. Now look. So now look how much risk I have. I have $130 of risk. All right, and when I get to $10, that'll be almost 10% for me, and then I'm going to get out. So I'm going to sit right here, and as soon as I see that level spike up to about $8 to $10, I'm going to close it. All right, one more pop, and I'm out. All right, one more pop, and I'm out. One more pop, and I'm out. Let's get it. All right, guys, I'm adding. Follow me. I'm adding. Add one more. Follow me. About $200 worth of risk. All right, let's go. Stay in the trade. Stay in the trade. All right, I'm adding one more. So on liquid brokers, every time I'm adding, I have mine set at 0.1 lots. So every time I click this, that's $30. Stay in the trade. Stay in the trade. If you got any, add one more. If you got it, if you have, and now you see why I like liquid brokers. Look at the ease of it to get in these trades. The style we trade. All right, $200 worth of risk. All right. If you have any, look what I'm doing right here. Now I'm going 0.12 lots. So I'm getting my average cost down. $300 at risk. Yeah. $380 of risk. So the most I'm going is $400 of risk. So I'm gonna add one more. All right, let me know what y'all looking like. Yeah. Let me know if you added. Let me know if you added any. Let me know if you added. Now y'all see why I like liquid brokers. Yo, what up, dog? Because you can easily get in and out of these trades. And if you got, like I said, I'm leveraging 0.19 lots because the account size. If you have a smaller account, you can literally just do the $3 ones. Look, you can literally just do the $3 ones. So now I have $400 of risk. So when I make $40, that'll be 10%. So now you see, and I'm not even gonna let it get close to it. I'll take 8%. I'm out. Boom. That's it. So now you see why I like using liquid brokers. So let me know what y'all do in the chats. Let me know what y'all do in the chats. So now that's why I say I like trading liquid brokers, because if you have those, like I said, I was doing $30, but you can literally do $3 when it dips. $3 because, so like I said, if you all stand on the call, I'm gonna show you all exactly why we started adding where we added. This blue line is VWAP. In a bull market, look at this. This is obviously what? This is obviously a big green candle, bull. When the candle drops to VWAP, it's a good opportunity to buy because it's going to stay above VWAP in the bull market. And look what it did exactly. It literally went to VWAP, touched it, and literally went right up. Let me know what y'all do in the chats. Let me know what y'all do in the chats. Let me know if you add it. And like I said, man, if you for these opening session trades, I know we used to use Robinhood, but for these, you got to use liquid brokers, man. You got to use liquid brokers because you can literally just have those $3 positions. Say if you got a $500 account, you can literally just keep adding those $3 positions. $500 account, 23%. There we go. And you're done. All right, make some noise in the chats. We got 23%. I made 8%. I'm out. I'm cool. That's it. But hey, Grace, did you see the liquor charts though? Did you see it? Like how I was just literally like, bro, on liquor brokers, bro, all you gotta do is literally start with 0.1 lots. That's $3, and then as it keeps going near VWAP, the blue line, go 0.2. That'll be $6, and then if it goes lower, go 0.3. That's $9. Because as soon as it goes back up a little bit, you're going to be in profits. All right, I'm gonna show y'all how to do that. And like I said, in a couple months, we're gonna be having private classes, private courses, and one-on-one mentorships. So I'll show y'all how to do all this stuff. Like I said, man, y'all just seen it. Y'all just seen me trade live, like right in front of y'all, and y'all just seen the 10% came in like 6 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever. Like, all right, man. Y'all have a blessed day, man. Peace. Catch y'all. Enjoy your profits. Protect your profits. Hey, and another thing, I just got one on the pool. Yeah, that's it. Even if you don't even got to take the initial trade. I have all the indicators and stuff over here, so that's why I'm saying, hey, like buy, sell. I'm not showing everybody that, but I'm showing y'all. I'm just telling y'all, and y'all just seeing it live. Like y'all seeing literally like how I trade, like the strategy. Like I started at $30 per position, and then when it dipped even lower, when I went negative $50, I went 0.12. So now I had $39 instead of $30. And then when it dipped even lower, I did 0.12, $39 again. And then it dipped even lower, and then I did one more. And then what did it do? It went back just a little bit in profits, at least 10%. So I had $400 risk, and I went up about 44 to $38. So about $40. That's 10% in 6 minutes. Like literally showing y'all how to do it. And look what the stock's doing. What did we just say? What did we just say on the call? In the bull market, this can't get no bull market. Look, in a bull market, the price is going to touch what? It's going to touch VWAP. VWAP is this blue line, volume weighted average price, and it's going to go back up. Look, it did it every single time. Look, it went up, touched VWAP, it went all the way up here. Came back down, touched VWAP, went all the way up here. Came back down near VWAP, came all the way, and then look what we did on the opening. I literally said, "Hey guys, add." All right, let me just show y'all. Hold on one second. Let me just show y'all why we did this. Look at this. So these are all the indicators. This is my MMU indicator that we have that you'll be able to have access to. I'm looking at these in the back. I have 2 screens up, so I'm looking at, but I'm not showing everybody all the indicators. Like that's for me. But this is why I'm telling y'all, hey, buy. What did it do? We got an MMU long Market Master University indicator signal below what? VWAP. And what did we do? She made 23%. I made 10%. Leveraging $400 in like 5 minutes. That's what we do, man. So like I said, catch y'all on the next one. And yeah, enjoy your profits, protect your profits. Peace.